This is how we make coffee with science! Mad science! Mad science! See, what happens is the water I poured into this thingy, it's the heat is causing, the heat of the fire is causing the water to go into that, and then this too, and that is going to be having no other place to go than but down here. That is where the water is exiting, being forced out of the reservoir. So what's happening is the water pressure, the heat, the water is going under a lot of pressure because of all the heat pushing it up and into the tube. And then, having nowhere else to go, it's going to go ahead and just end up in there. That's all only place it can go. And then because it's jointed here in the middle, then, well, once the water is all emptied out from that pressure pushing through the tube, well, then this will go ahead and go up, dropping the mechanism down there, down to turn it off, and then then having no more heat source with that, the action of the water will be reversed. It will be reversed, and it will flow back into this. Now, I know that for some people this may seem a little bit confusing, but that's actually how science works. It's called water and pressure and hydrothermal fluids. Yes. Hydrodynamics. Ha ha! That's already getting pretty wet. And I can hear the sound. I can hear the sound of that. Yeah. I just want to be able to be there for it when it finally drops the mechanism down in place. I really think maybe I gotta adjust the flame so it's not so it doesn't do that. 'Cause I don't think it's supposed to be that big of a flame. You hear that sound? That means that it's about to go ahead and drop down. Hey, sweetie, check it out.
Oh, it's brewing.
Yeah, it's brewing.
Hot lemon brewing.
Yeah. That's some real coffee. Love you.
hot shit.
Mm-hmm. And now...
Ooh, it smells good. I
Yes.
can smell that coffee. That's espresso. For sure.
Because science, nature abhors a vacuum. That's why. And check this out, sweetie. Now that I've released this, the valve here, watch what happens.
Oh. Oh, the coffee went back up in there?
Yeah. Because what happens is, you see, after
Wow, that smells really good.
after I opened the valve here and I pulled this off, the thing here, then that meant that it would cause a reverse action of the vacuum
But
siphon.
back in the day, they
Yeah.
used to have a lot smaller cups than we do now. So what would you do with that problem? Like, we need to drink 4 to 6 times the amount of coffee that they would back then.
Yeah. Well, I think
It'd still look a lot cooler. If
I
it was
think
made
what I
like
needed to
this.
do was I needed to go ahead and keep this down like this, because it should have, if I'd done that, then it would have drained
I'm
all
sure
of this
that's
out.
1 cup of coffee right there, hon. I'm sure.
Well, it still should have poured out all of that into
Oh.
this.
Why isn't it hot enough? Don't we
No,
just
no,
leave the
it's
fire
because it's because when it had drained enough from here, it also had this had gone back up,
on? Oh.
and that when it did that,
I think you have to leave the fire on, you know, and
No.
then it'll keep pushing it up
no,
into the top,
What-
and then you get that much more coffee.
what happened is it was designed to go up, and then the weights down here they're designed to go down and put out the flame here, because they're connected with the lid.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah.
That is really cool. I would buy that thing if I were you.
I just gotta make sure it can go ahead and keep the tube here.
$100.
$100.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'm lactating, sweetie. Feel the water outside my